Are you sick of me yet? Good, because I bought something else. This one is supposed to help organize stuff. Oh, shit. What's your favorite part?
Mario gloves.
The Mario gloves. I love Mario gloves. I have another pair over there from the last thing that I built. Hey, remember in the last one where I said breaking sounds means it's working? Guess what? This is made out of the same stuff.
Oh, God.
Hey, guess what?
Instructions?
There's more Mario gloves for you.
2 pairs.
Why are there 2 pairs? This one actually has real packaging and instructions on the inside.
I see that.
I paid real money for this one. Because I want to know what it's like when it actually has instructions. You know. It's way thinner than I was expecting it to be.
Yeah, it'll also make it easier to slot together.
It's kind of shiny. So it's not exactly the same. This one has the shiny stuff. Instructions are very unclear. Again, this is the instructions. That is all. So good luck to me. Because I'm gonna assume this is A. These are C. And this is B. Yeah. According to the instructions, it goes this way. And then one of these. Let's start on this side. Go in. Oh no.
It has begun.
It has begun. Go in.
Oh, I'd brace it against the table the way you had it, just so it doesn't snap the end.
Glasses are coming off for this one. Go in. Go in. Breaking sounds means it's working.
Yep.
This should be a quick and easy build.
Should be.
Should be.
Keywords.
Breaking sounds means it's working. In. It's actually really easy to build. This is not as complicated as like some of the other shelf things I've built. Originally, I got this one thinking maybe I'll use it at work. I don't think I'm going to use it at work. I think I'm going to use it here. Because, let's be real, most of my work paperwork is at home here anyway. So, da-da-da. They give you the Mario glove so you don't get fingerprints and stuff all over it.
Yeah.
Okay. And now, according to the instructions, we do that.
Put the 2 side pieces on.
And then add that. And hope everything is lined up.
There you go.
Yeah, I am. I had it the wrong way.
I know.
Why didn't you say so?
I wanted you to figure it out.
That was mean. This is the hardest part. Don't you get like the first one? I say it gets not bad as I stand up and like struggle. I promise it actually gets not bad. Way easier once you get that first piece in. Is it all lined up? Yep. Looks like it. Ta-da.
Ta-ta.
Ta-da.
Last piece.
And did it wrong again. There we go. This one, in theory, should be way easier because the other side's already lined up. These ones should line up easier. Told you, breaking sounds means it's working. You're lined up. You're lined up. You're lined up. You're lined up. Ta-da. See? Done.
Organizer.
I can put all of them. Ta-da. It's done. That was easy. Yay.